G'day, welcome to Yuluwirri Organic Garlic here in the Hunter Valley. Today was a big day for us as it was concrete pour day. We're pouring an 18 by 10 metre slab where a wide span shed will be built. We're very lucky to have the services of Andy from Wollombi Valley Property Services look after the entire job for us. Here are his concrete boys getting into it at the start of the day. Anything we asked, not a problem. Saved some money as they didn't need a pump truck even on this size job. End result was absolutely fantastic. Wasn't an easy site as it's 3 k's from the main road, but there's no stress. All the planning and prep had all been done before. And now we just can't wait to get the shed up and start sharing all the knowledge we have of growing some great organic garlic. So until next time, take it easy.